Hello student, today we are going to discuss the fifth numerical of hardness. And the question is written as, if the total hardness and alkalinity are 300 milligram per liter and 100 milligram per liter, then carbonate and non-carbonate hardness will be. In the question, total hardness is given as 300 milligram per liter. So we write total hardness is equals to 300 milligram per liter. Now alkalinity is also given in the question, that will be equals to 100 milligram per liter. So total hardness will be equals to 300 milligram per liter and alkalinity will be equals to 100 milligram per liter. Now we need to determine the carbonate hardness. Okay, we need to determine the carbonate hardness, and we know that carbonate hardness is the minimum of total hardness and alkalinity. Now the total hardness value is given as 300 milligram per liter and alkalinity is given as 100 milligram per liter. Now the minimum of these two values will be the carbonate hardness, which will be equals to 100 milligram per liter. Now we have determined the carbonate hardness, which will be equals to 100 milligram per liter. Now we need to find the non-carbonate hardness. Okay, non-carbonate hardness. Now we know that non-carbonate hardness will be equals to total hardness minus carbonate hardness. Now total hardness will be given in the question as 300 milligram per liter and carbonate hardness will be equals to 100 milligram per liter. Now the non-carbonate hardness will be equals to 200 milligram per liter. So we had find carbonate hardness, which will be equals to 100 milligram per liter, and we had also determine non-carbonate hardness, which will be equals to 200 milligram per liter. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.